Hey guys, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to resolve one of the error which is there on the screen. Error is data in company code RCC2 is not maintained, and this error is coming while maintaining the controlling area. So the moment we click on the help button, then we can see that the currency, physical year variant and chart of accounts are all maintained in the company code. So we need to ensure that currency, physical year variant and chart of account should be maintained at the company code level. Okay, so maybe I'll click OK. I'll click cross button here, and if I'll put /n, and if I'll go back to the SPRO, you can just follow the steps. Go to SPRO, then go to the enterprise structure. No, we need to see the financial accounting new. Then click on the global setting, the first option, financial accounting global setting new. Then open the global parameters for company code. Click on the enter global parameters. Find out your company RCC2 where you want to maintain the controlling area. Maybe you can select, or you can use the double click option here. Then I can see the chart of account physical year variant is missing for RCC2 company code. Maybe I can quickly provide the chart of account and physical year variant as well, and try to save this information. Provide the customizing request. Since I'm maintaining the data for RCC2, so I'll select the CR for the RCC2 here. Simple. Try to save the information, then go back to the enterprise structure and try to maintain the controlling area now. Definition, controlling, maintain the controlling area, maintain controlling area, new entry, click on controlling area is equal to company code. So I'll provide RCC2. Now you can see there is no error. Hence we have resolved the error which was there earlier, that company data in company code is not maintained. Now try to save it, provide your customizing request RCC2. That's all. You have closed, or you have cleared one of the error while providing the currency, physical year variant and chart of account. Thank you so much for your time. Stay tuned for more videos and for more information on SAP errors. Thank you so much for your time.